Hi, everybody. Dan O'Brien, Chief Communications Officer for the Worcester Public Schools. I'm here to talk to you about color contrast on the website in terms of ADA compliance. So, color contrast refers to the difference in lightness between text and its background, ensuring that it is easily readable by people with visual impairments. Sufficient contrast helps those with low vision or color blindness perceive text and important elements, enhancing accessibility for all users. Here is a good rule of thumb. So when you're posting content to the website or you're making even a flyer or something or a poster, think about color contrast because for those people where this is an issue, we want to make sure that we are including them and that they're getting the same information and content that everybody else can receive. So if you look at the top left here, it's black and white. That is foolproof. That is always ADA compliant. You cannot go wrong with black and white. Top right, this is also compliant. This is a very light yellow against a very dark navy blue. That is also compliant. The bottom two are not compliant. If you look at the bottom right, that's a pretty obvious one for non-compliance because it is basically a gray on a gray. It's a light gray on top of a slightly darker gray. That would be problematic. And for somebody with color blindness or low vision, they would not really be able to read that very well, if at all. And so the other one on the left, bottom left, is also a poor color contrast ratio. There's actual ratio numbers that guidelines that we are supposed to follow, um, which I will show here. Yeah. So this is the actual wording of what we're supposed to follow. You can click on the link here if you really want to get into it. There's actual eyedropper tools you can use if you want to be 100% sure. The best rule of thumb, again, black and white always works. Making sure it's like a really light color against a really dark color, making, for the most part, that's going to work where you don't need to go through and do eyedroppers and things like that. But if you want to double check, this is a good resource to do that. Um, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let us know. Again, I'm at o'briend@worcesterschools.net, or you can email any of us on the communications team. Thank you so much. Have a great day.